Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Our Facebook ad series is going on. If you want to watch the whole series, you can come to our channel and watch those videos from here. Okay, so in today's lecture, we'll be discussing about ad formats in our Facebook ads. We'll be talking about how many ads format we have. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get started. So first of all, let's get to know more about ad formats. So for learning more about ad formats, we'll go to the official documentation of Meta. You can see over here. So advertise with confidence. Help people uh, discover your brand across Facebook products. Design your ad using various formats, placements, and objective to meet your marketing goals. The Facebook Ads Guide provides design specifications and technical requirements across each format and placement. You will find information on dimensions, file sizes, character limits, and more. Okay, so you can see over here we have four ad formats available over here. First one is image ads, then video ads, and carousel ads, and last one is collection ads. Okay, so what is image ads? You can see over here, drive people to destination websites or app through high quality and engaging visuals. Use your own images or create an ad with the stock photos to tell your story. Okay, so if you want to learn more, you can click on this get more about image ads. Okay, next one is video ads. Show up product features and draw people in with sound and motion. Upload a video you created or create one in Ads Manager using our video creation tools. Okay. So again, if you want to learn more about video ads, you can click on this link, learn more about video ads. Okay. Next one is carousel ads. Display up to 10 images or videos within a single ad, each with its own link. Use carousel ads to show different images of the same product or create one long photo that people can swipe. Okay, so if you want to learn more about carousel ad, you can click on this link. Okay, and the last one is collection ads. Encourage shopping by displaying items from your product catalog, customized for each individual. Use our dynamic options to showcase your products in various ways. Okay, so again, if you want to learn more about carousel ads, you can click on this link. Okay, then let's click on image and we'll see some recommendations given by Facebook. Okay, so you can see over here. So this is image ad, and this is the placement where the ads will be displayed. So you can see over here, Facebook feed, then Facebook in stream video, Facebook video ads, Facebook marketplace, Facebook stories, ads on Facebook Reels, Facebook search result, Facebook business explorer, Facebook Reels. So we have different options available here where our ads will be displayed for image ads, Then you can see over here, this is the ad creative. Then this is the image format. Okay. This is the headline, this is the website URL, and this is the call to action. And you can see over here, they have given us some recommendations like design recommendation, file type, JPG or PNG ratio, 1.91.1 or 1:1. Resolution should be at least 180 into 180 pixel. Okay, you can see the text recommendation, primary text, 125 characters, text over 125. Single byte character is allowed, but maybe truncated. Okay, perfect. And headlines recommendations are 27 characters, descriptions are 27 characters, and you can see the technical requirements: maximum file size 30 MB, minimum width 600 pixel, minimum height 600 pixel, aspect ratio, tolerance 3%. Okay, so this is very useful doc. So this is for image. Let's choose video. Okay, so you can see over here for video, the placement are Facebook feed, Facebook in stream video, Facebook video feeds, Facebook stories, Facebook search result, Facebook business explore, and we have different option like Instagram stories, feed, explore, reels, audience network. Okay, So you can go through these options as per your requirements. Then you can see design recommendation, file type MP4, MOV or GIF. Okay, ratio 1:1 for desktop or mobile, or 4:5 for mobile only. Video settings, this compression, square pixel, fixed frame ratio, progressive scan, and stereo AAC audio compression at 128 kbps plus. Okay, resolution is at least 180 into 180 pixel. Video caption optional but recommended. Video sound optional but recommended. Okay, and here is text recommendation. Primary text again 125 characters, headlines 27 characters, description 27 characters, requirements, technical requirements, video duration 1 second to 241 minutes, maximum file size 4 GB, minimum width 120 pixel, minimum height 120 pixel. Okay, and you can see over here 360 videos. Okay, so if you want, you can read them. Then next option is carousel. So you can see, let's go to the video and you will see the video over here. So this would be the ad format. Okay, then the carousel is, so you can save the images. Okay, you will be able to add up to 10 images. Okay, so you can see the design recommendation, image file type JPG or PNG, video file MP4, MOV or GIF, ratio 1:1, resolution at least 180 into 180 pixel, and text character, primary text 125 characters, headline 32 characters, description 18 character, and additional option is landing page URL. So this is mandatory. Okay, then technical requirements, number of carousel cards 2 to 10, image maximum file size 30 MB, video maximum file size 4 GB, video duration 1 second to 240 minutes, aspect ratio tolerance 3%. Okay, perfect. And the last one is collection. So you can see this will be an image or video, and underneath the image we'll have a couple of images. So this is called collection format. Okay, and the design recommendation is image file type JPG or PNG, video type MP4, MOV, GIF, ratio 1:1, resolution at least 118 to 180 pixel. Text recommendation, primary text 125 characters, headline 40 characters, landing page URL is required. Okay, and technical requirements, instant experience required, image file size 30 MB, video maximum file size 4 GB. Okay, so I'll share this doc file in the video description. So this is very useful doc, you know. If you want, you can go through this doc and read all of them as per your requirements. Okay, so if I go to the ads manager and try to show you how many ads type we have in our ads manager. So this is the theoretical part. Let's see it practically. So I'm gonna choose ads section from here. Then you can see over here, format. In the format section, we have 4 options available here. One is single image or video, carousel, collection. Okay, so I will implement those sort of formats practically, gradually in the later videos. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. Hopefully you have a clear understanding on Facebook ads format. Okay, so hopefully you have liked our video. If you like our video, then you can subscribe our channel, follow our page. You have a good day. Bye bye.